In this setup video, I'll show you how you can create our kill leaderboard from Patreon, and it will display the top 3 players, their kills on the UI, and it will update whenever someone gets more kills. So now the second person will be in first place, and then we can go back on first place once we surpass their eliminations. On our Patreon you can now find our full access subscription. This entitles you to free access for all current and future paid verse code and allows you to chat in our premium support channel on Discord. This is our top priority and will help you set up the code, answer questions about verse in UEFN, and create small verse snippets just for you. Even just subscribing for 1 month will save you more than 50 euros as opposed to purchasing the scripts one by one. We are working hard to add more verse scripts to the paid section. You will have access to these as well. The setup for this will be really simple. We'll have a kill tracker and just copy these settings. I'll explain them. So we want to track the eliminations for every player, and the target value, just set it to the max because we won't use it. Set it to assign on game start and also in when joining in progress. You can leave these and no HUD widget. Make sure sharing is set to individual because we want to set it for each player. And when target is reached, we won't do anything with these settings, so you can just leave them. Make sure show and HUD is set to no. And then make sure player eliminations count set to true. And if you want guards to count, you want to set this one to true. So non-player eliminations, I think guards and also NPCs, then they will count. If you don't want them to count, make sure this is unchecked. Then if you want to use their lifetime kills, so it will start counting once this tracker is created. So if you update your map, it will only start counting their kills from then. But then you want to enable use persistence, autosave, autoload. But if you just wanted to count the match kills, disable this. Then just open the Verse Explorer and create a new verse file. Just paste the verse in there. Then you want to import the picture and make sure to open the texture. Go to the MIP-gen settings and set it to no MIP maps, this one, because this will improve the quality. Set the texture group to UI. And then just save, and you can close it. You want to drag the first class, your play space, and open it. Then you'll see you need these spawners. So you'll see it like this, and then you just want to add 2 elements, because I have 2 spawners, and add each of your spawners in there. And then the kill tracker, just select the tracker we just created. If you already have a tracker that's used for counting kills, you can just use the same one. If you want to change anything about the positioning, because by default it will show like this. This is just made for reference, this blueprint, but all the UI is handled by the verse. If you want to change the positioning, you want to go into the verse and check this this overlay, and then change the alignment in verse. So just search one of these values and change them. So if you want it in the top middle, use these values or whatever. And if you want to use your own background image, you can do so by just changing the file location in verse. And you can also change the padding or the colors. By default, the number 1 will be in gold, and the rest will be in just white. But this widget blueprint is not used in the code itself. It was just for reference. And then if you have all of these selected, you can start a game, and then it will just display the leaderboard. And it will update every second, which is good enough. You can set the sleep lower and it will update more frequently, but that's not necessary, as it will just use resources for a UEFN. So a second is good enough. And you can always change all of the colors and the positioning. So for the one that I was just showing, the alignment, this one, it's this last one in verse. So just look for the overlay and then its alignment. And this will match these values. So I hope this setup video was clear enough, and if you have any questions, you can just send a message at the Discord server.